Welcome to today's lecture on piroxicam DT. It is a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug widely used for chronic inflammation and painful disorders. We will discuss every aspect in detail. Let's get started. Learning objectives. After this lecture, you will understand how piroxicam works, where it is used, how to prescribe it including patient counseling and clinical warnings. Introduction and composition. Piroxicam is a non-selective NSAID which belongs to oxycam family. The DT form is dispersible tablet. This is suitable for patients who have difficulty in swallowing tablets as a whole. This also ensures faster onset and better compliance. It was developed by Pfizer in 1970s. Classification. Piroxicam is NSAID and the subclass is non-selective COX inhibitor. It inhibits both cyclooxygenase 1 and cyclooxygenase 2 enzymes. This dual inhibition gives it the strong anti-inflammatory properties, but it also contributes to gastrointestinal and renal side effects. Mechanism of action. The mechanism involves inhibition of the cyclooxygenase enzymes that produce prostaglandins, which are the mediators of inflammation, pain and fever. Reduced prostaglandin levels lead to pain relief and decreased inflammation. Inhibition of cyclooxygenase 1 removes the protective gastric mucosa effects which causes GI irritation. Spectrum of activity. Piroxicam systematically acts to relieve inflammation and pain in joints, muscles, and connective tissue. It also reduces fever by acting on the hypothalamic heat-regulating center. Pharmacokinetics, absorption, distribution. Piroxicam is well absorbed orally and is unaffected significantly by food. It binds to plasma proteins and reaches the therapeutics levels in the synovial fluid, which shows efficacy in joint diseases. Pharmacokinetics, metabolism and elimination. It is primarily metabolized in the liver through the CYP2C9. Also has long elimination half-life which enables convenient use once daily dosing. However, the accumulation risk exists in the hepatic or renal dysfunction. Pharmacodynamics. The effects are mediated both peripherally and centrally. This provides continuous pain relief throughout the day, which is beneficial in chronic inflammatory conditions. Indications. It is indicated in chronic inflammatory arthritis such as osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. It is also indicated for short-term use in acute musculoskeletal pain or post-operative inflammation. Clinical significance. The long duration improves the adherence in chronic conditions. The long persistence also means adverse effects may last for a long time, so it is not ideal for patients needing rapid dose adjustment. Dosage and administration. Usually 20 mg once daily is sufficient control. Always disperse DT tablets in water and consume promptly. Avoid exceeding the recommended doses and also reassess the therapy regularly. Adverse effects. Adverse effects commonly seen can be nausea, vomiting, heartburn, epigastric pain, dizziness, rash. Serious adverse effects may range from mild gastric irritation to life-threatening ulceration or bleeding. Long-term use increases cardiovascular and renal risks. Skin reactions like Stevens-Johnson syndrome are rare but serious. Contraindications. Never use piroxicam in patients allergic to NSAIDs or with previous severe gastrointestinal or cardiovascular complications. Avoid during pregnancy and lactation unless clearly indicated. Drug interactions. When used with blood thinners, it increases bleeding risk. Combined user with methotrexate or ACE inhibitors may worsen the renal function. Avoid combining with NSAIDs or corticosteroids. Overdose and management. In overdose, the symptoms usually are related to gastrointestinal and neurological. There is not antidote. Management focuses on supportive care, monitoring for bleeding and renal support if needed. Storage and stability. Store it in cool, dry place and open the blister only when ready to administer. Moisture affects the tablet integrity. Brand names. The most known brand name is Feldene and Dolonex. Availability varies by region, so check the exact formulation in your country. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more medical pharmacology tutorials. See you in the next session.